Yes, a heat gun is an effective tool for removing paint. A heat gun works by blowing hot air over a specific surface, softening the paint for easier removal. This makes the process faster and more efficient, as traditional methods involving scraping paint and chemicals can take a long time and be labor-intensive. There are many reasons why a heat gun is an ideal tool for paint removal. These tools remove paint quickly, efficiently and economically. They have a range of features to ensure safety, efficiency, reliability, superior performance and ease of use. A heat gun is the perfect tool for removing paint from metal. You can use it to remove paint from any surface, like your car, a piece of furniture, or a kitchen appliance. To use a heat gun, first turn it on and then point it at the surface you want to remove paint from. You will see the paint start to bubble and peel away from the surface. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and give your opinion in comment section.